Well, to know more information on this, we have Mr. Swami. Yes, Mr. Swami. Swami, can you hear me? Swami, can you hear me? Hello? Yes, Swami, can you hear me?
Yes, I am able to hear you.
Well, yes, Mr. Swami, I would like to ask you, well, the Supreme Court of India gave its final verdict on UGC guidelines. Well, also the court had already allowed, National Testing Agency to go ahead with its plan and conduct the JEE Main 2020 and NEET 2020 examinations in September. Well, can you give me a detailed explanation on this?
Yes, this is in the wake of the present situation because the academics are really very important,
Right.
especially in the case of the professional courses. The
Right.
academic year accounts a lot.
Right.
That is why the Supreme Court and even the national testing authorities, the educationists, the central government, MHA, they have all really discussed at length about this issue in various forums, and they have come to a conclusion, taking into interest the real future of the students and also the aspirations of the parents, because they have been toiling for some 15 to 16 years to see their wards getting selected into some of the premier institutions. So they have really worked a lot on this issue, and they have come out with these guidelines that the entrance examination should be conducted at the earliest. That is in the month of September. Already the academic year is truncated by 2 months, and this examination has to take place in a safe environment, and after this examination the results have to come out, and then admission process begins, and this will take a couple of months. So the real academics will start only by the end of this year.
Right.
This is the calculation of the authorities who are dealing with all these things, because it is already a high time. Generally they were conducted in the month of May, maximum in the month of June.
Right.
And the students were generally attending classes during this August or September.
Right.
So this year we are planning, the authorities are planning to conduct the examination in September, so that all these formalities, procedures, everything is over in a couple of months, and then the real classes begin for the students.
Right.
That is the main thing, agenda for the educationists everywhere. And so the entrance examination, conducting the particular entrance examination is a welcome sign, as we can see that most of these parents are also, they have already started downloading the hall tickets, and they are getting ready to send their students and send their children to this examination.
Yes.
Here I would like to add one thing. The admission into IITs or to premier medical schools is possible only through these examinations. This exam is a mandatory thing.
Yes.
So nobody can do away with these exams. They have to be conducted at some cost,
Right.
at some time.
Right.
That is why the Indian government is also, it is helpless, because they can't take anybody into these prestigious institutions. Only JEE or NEET will decide who should be accepted into these schools.
Well, yes.
So government is left with no second option but to go ahead with these examinations, and only a fraction of the students are opposing this move, because they are really in some trouble, because some places in Bihar, some places in Assam, and some places in northeastern area, and some places in Kerala, some places in Maharashtra, and in remote places everywhere, they are having some technical problems.
True.
It is understood by everyone. But for the sake of this fraction of the students, the entire student community should not be put to unnecessary trouble.
Right.
Because if some 100 students or 200 students or 2000 students cannot take the examination this time,
Right.
they have the option to take the examination next year.
Right.
But we cannot take away the opportunity of other students. Like if the examination is totally abandoned, the academic year of all the students will be collectively affected.
Right.
That's a very big, like it will hamper the very system of our education.
Right.
That is why the government though some opposition is coming from the opposition parties and some celebrities and from some of the student community, it is going ahead with the entrance examinations in the coming month. That is the idea behind conducting these examinations.
Yes, also Mr. Swami, I would like to ask you, well, over 19 lakhs students have started doing admit cards on JEE and NEET. What do you have to
Yes.
say on this? Like 19 lakh students.
Yeah, that's a vast number. It's a very big number
Right.
to hear about. The number very clearly indicates the intention of the students to take this examination. Actually,
Exactly.
those who are on the cards, those who are taking this particular examination, they don't prepare for this 1 or 2 months ahead of this examination. Generally, it's some 3 to 4 year 4 year effort, which really matters. That
Right.
is why they are well prepared to face this examination and to finish it at any cost.
Right.
Because they are also emotionally put to a lot of stress. Already physically they are demoralized, physically, mentally they are
Mentally, yes.
demoralized with the COVID, and hearing to the news about COVID everywhere. It is everywhere, danger is lurking everywhere. So they have to take care of their health, their family and other affairs on one hand. And on the other hand, they have to sit through long hours, because these examinations, they really need a student to devote at least 15 to 16 hours a day for preparing well. The physics or organic chemistry, or in the case of NEET, the biology, they are too extensive for these examinations. So they have to really put in a lot of effort. They have to refer so many standard textbooks. They have to work upon the concepts. They have to be an expert in the application of this particular concept to a situation.
Right.
So all these things really require student to work very hard, and in the process they naturally get affected. They naturally get stressed up also, isn't it?
Exactly.
So all these things are there. They need to be considered. That's why the MHA has included psychologists, a group of psychologists, parapsychologists and psychiatrists also in the a group to discuss about the conduct of the examinations, and they said that it is good to go ahead because that would reduce the stress of so many students. Once the examination is over, they will have like some kind of relaxation. Then they will be refreshed enough to appear for the classes which are ahead.
Right.
So this is the logic behind this. And personally, I too would welcome this move of the government to conduct the examinations. They are really, really very tough. In fact, it is said that some US universities also have commented upon our JEE descriptive examination. Earlier, we had descriptive examination, which was considered to be the toughest in the world.
Exactly, but Swami, don't you think that at this point of time conducting exams to the students is right, because there is a high rise in coronavirus cases? So what do you have to say on this? You prefer,
Yeah,
you say that you support these JEE and NET exams to be conducted in September?
Yes, I am fully aware of the trouble which the student community would face if they have to sit in an examination hall, if they have to reach that hall and to take that particular examination. But most important thing is their career.
Right.
If the examination is not conducted, and if they are not having this kind of opportunity to appear and get selected, they would get demoralized, and most of the students might drop out from learning itself
Right.
because of the over stress and other things. Instead, this is better. Now, the COVID, everyone is habituated to these preventive measures like sanitization and
Right.
masking and all these things. They are well aware, and not to speak of the students who appear for these examinations, because they know pretty well as to how to conduct themselves.
Right.
They are not, like the primary students or senior level students. They are about to enter some very big college, so they are mature enough. They are 15 to 16 years old, so they know their responsibilities very well. They know how to take care of themselves, and they get guidance from the parents also. All these things are there, so it is better that these examinations are conducted. Now, September is the optimum time.
Right.
Already government has given, because during lockdown nothing was taken up. Only now, just yesterday, the Unlock 4.0 also was on the air, and
Right.
everyone came to know about the details of it also.
Right.
So slowly the society is getting unlocked.
Right.
So it's a good sign that the government conducts the examination and student also he prepares well. He
Right.
has to, if the place is very far, he has to, reach that place in advance and he has to really stay in a protected place, take good food. Only this is only for 2 or 3 days.
Right.
But this would change his life forever.
Right.
If he gets a place in one of the good schools, then his entire life would be a cakewalk.
Right.
So this is so determining, so decisive. So everyone is having this kind of aspiration that the examination be conducted and the students join all these prestigious institutions, because if they get a very good rank, they can choose the college of their choice. That will be really nice for them, and they would really forget all these troubles, turmoil and the situation around. It will be a nice time for them.
Right, Mr. Swami. Also, I would like to ask you, well, there was a student called Vikram who was struggling to study during the lockdown, and also the online tutorials was really not getting into him. So he was hoping that JEE exams would be postponed. So what do you have to say about such students? You know, it is very really difficult for such students, right?
I think I really wonder and I really feel sorry for Vikram, because this is the high time to start, preparing for this examination.
Yeah, it's not only about one person. There are so many other students who are like him. So it's really difficult for such students, you know, getting prepared for JEE and NEET exams. So obviously such students wants those exams to be postponed.
No, actually, I would argue in a different way, because this examination is so demanding that starting the preparation just 2 or 3 months ahead would not be sufficient at any cost. They
Right.
cannot cover even 10 to 20% of the total syllabus.
Right.
So it's better for such students to study right through this year and appear next time.
Right.
Because after 10th examination, plus 2 is meant for both this particular JEE examination preparation as well as the intermediate education. It's a combined study should be done.
Right.
Only then they can cover, capture everything and do well in the examination pattern. It requires minimum of 2 years effort
Right.
to do well in that particular examination. So students like Vikram, it's good. They need not get demoralized, but they can make best use of the available time now. And if they want, they can appear for the exam. Otherwise, they can study right through this year and appear next year. What is there?
But
they
don't
can
you
surely
think
get
that
some
1
good
year will
placement
get
or good
wasted?
rank, and thereby they can really have a rewarding career for themselves.
Right. But don't you think that they'll waste 1 year of their life?
Actually, even if they appear also, there is no chance of getting them selected into these colleges at any cost.
Right.
Because preparation for 2 or 3 months is not sufficient. It's not a local state-wise syllabus. It's a syllabus which is specially crafted for the NEET or JEE examinations, which is conceptualized, which is really focused on the application part of it, which is really so demanding that the student really requires 2 years
Right.
of intense hard work, dedication and preparation only to crack this particular examination.
Right.
That too, even after that also they are not sure of. Then what to speak of the student who starts right now? There is no chance at all. So
Well,
this is the situation.
yes. Also, Mr. Swami, I would like to ask you. Jharkhand government also allows public transport within the state in the view of these entrance exam. What do you have to say? I guess it is a right idea, right?
I
It's a
really
good
agree
idea.
with you. It's a wonderful idea. I would
Yes.
welcome it. I would really shower all my praises upon that particular state government, and I would also request all the other governments to emulate them, to follow them, because providing such things, logistics and if possible some recommend residential accommodation, all these things would go a long way in really making the student feel secure and fit enough to face the examination. Actually, the governments are supposed to take up such measures
Right.
instead of working towards getting the examinations postponed. This is the way to act. Actually, the government must focus on such areas, giving
Right.
such positive direction to the students, help to the students, getting connected with them, providing all sorts of facilities. This is the way we can promote really some positive thing will come up when governments take up such initiatives.
Right. Also, Mr. Swami, Delhi Lieutenant Governor Anil Baijal has also rejected the proposal given by the Delhi government to postpone NEET and JEE exams 2020, and has also given permission for holding entrance exams in the city. Well, also we can say that his decision go ahead with the exams came amid objection raised by the Delhi government in the view of student safety amid this pandemic.
Actually, I would say the political parties which are against this system are only having vested interest. They are not doing it only for the sake of student community. They know pretty well that if the examinations are postponed further, it will be detrimental to the entire student community. But knowing pretty well, they are only acting in the interest of their party and other. It's a political move, I would say, that they are voicing forth as they are acting as if they are voicing forth the concerns of the student. But if they are really concerned about the students, they have to provide all the facilities to appear for the exam and crack that particular entrance examination. But instead, what they are doing, they are trying to postpone and get the things. They want to take the things to a very bad shape. Exactly. This is not advisable. This is not politics. Like in the matter of studies or learning, which are really considered so sacred, such politics should not find place. This I would argue with all my, I would say very sternly that politics has no place in learning or education. It should be decided by the intellectuals. And intellectuals have favored the examination, conduct of the examination, and that is it. Everyone has to support that idea. They have to take up, they have to work hard to, and they have to see to it that these students are not put to undue stress or trouble due to this. They have to provide everything, all the facilities, so that they appear comfortably and they take that examination in good state.
Right. Also, I would like to ask you, Congress also starts the campaign to stop these NEET and JEE exams. Well, I would like to ask you this because as we are talking about the politics coming in between these JEE and NEET exams.
It is definitely because the Congress party has lost its image everywhere, and now it is working without any active leader. There is no leadership also in the party, so they want to have some issue to prove their existence.
Right.
It is their existential need which drives them to voice forth such things.
Right.
But this is not the right thing to do. They are not doing any favor to the student community. If they are really concerned, they have to really work in tandem with the government's initiative to conduct the examination. The examination should be conducted at any cost in safer conditions so that the student community is benefited. So many lakhs of students will be benefited. Their lives will be changed. The lives of the future of the country will be different if such students take up the examinations, and the real progress will be there if the academic year is launched at the right time and the students get out of the colleges with the enriched knowledge. Only then the community will prosper. The political parties, to whichever denomination they belong to, they all have to think about the broader interests of the country, cutting across all these narrow politics, and then they would really see that such things are the most wanted. Then there will not be any problem or issue or any confusion or hesitation in accepting this mandate.
Right. Also, Mr. Swami, I would like to ask you, Senior Congress leader also urged, Digvijay Singh urged the Centre as well as Supreme Court to change the date of JEE and NET exams. Right?
Yeah, yes, I too have seen in the newspapers and heard in the news. But each one is having his own agenda. India is such a big country, vast country with diverse topographies and geographical identities. So it's really difficult. Not only this year because of the COVID, even any year, if you take into consideration, some section of the students will find it difficult.
Right.
This year we are hearing this entire case so many times because of the COVID. it is getting a lot of attention from everyone. But every year also the same thing was taking place. Once the government fixes the date, any government, the other governments or some sections of the people would really work against. They will voice against it, saying that it is not comfortable. They need the exam to be postponed. It is happening every year, not
Right.
only this year, due to some floods or due to some calamities or due to some localized problems. It is happening everywhere, but government takes into view only of the majority. Always, the
Right.
government sees if the majority of the students are benefited by one move, they would go ahead with that. They cannot satisfy the entire student community at any cost, any year.
Right.
This is very clear. So, giving the maximum benefit to the maximum students is the initiative or the working plan of the government. That is the thing which is being followed now also.
Right.
By choosing September as the right time for the examinations, the government has done well. September, October would go in formalities, so that at least from November the classes will start. They will have at least minimum of 6 months time to complete their semester.
Right.
So I think this is the right thing which the government is doing now.
Right. Also, Mr. Swami, I would like to ask you. Well, Assam Health Minister Himanta Biswa also said that the state is ready to implement the center's standard opening procedure for SOP for holding NEET and JEE. But also, it is said that proposal was rejected during Delhi Disaster Management Act. So, can you give me a detailed explanation on this?
Yes, because the situation in Assam, their voice has some kind of genuinity in it.
Yes.
Assam is really having floods everywhere.
Right.
You see all the major rivers overflowing their boundaries,
Right.
and there is real havoc caused by the monsoon and other effects.
Right.
That is why the state government is really concerned. There everything is in a helter-skelter situation, and the student community are really at loss to
Right.
collect themselves to focus on this particular examination. But it's a localized problem, as I have already said. It's a localized problem. Really, we feel sorry and sympathetic towards such students because demanding those students to appear for this particular examination is quite injustice. It is
Yes, don't you
injustice
think in
on our
such
part
place-
to invite them at this particular point of time.
Right.
But
Don't you think that
nothing could be done.
at this
It
point
happens
of
every year.
yes, Mr. Swami, don't you think at this point of time, like places in Assam and other flooded areas, don't you think the exam should be postponed at least in such places?
Actually, instead, what I would say, I would recommend the governments of that particular state to send students to safer places. There are some safer places in Assam where examination is possible, or in the nearby states they could be allotted the center and the entire student community be taken to that particular place by the government.
Right.
Because if one student of their state enters the particular premier institution, it would really be a great thing for that particular state. So the government has to really take up such pains to accommodate such students in a good residential area where they can take that examination and come back to their respective homes.
Right.
That type of arrangement could be taken because if the government really wills, they can have talk with their neighboring states, they can really have such facility, they can really make the students appear before the exam comfortably. All these things are possible if the government has this particular willpower
Right.
and endeavor to do such things. I think that would be better.
And also, Mr. Swami, I would like to tell you there was a student who was in pressure after getting released on about JEE and NET exams. Well, he hanged himself because of the pressure. You know, that is a very big task for such students, right?
Uh-huh.
Taking so much pressure because of these exams.
Yes. Can you just repeat it? I could not hear. What happened to the student? He hanged himself?
Yes, he hanged himself because of the pressure given by the government that they have declared these JEE and NET exams are like scheduled in the month of September. So he hanged
I'm really
himself.
very sorry.
Right. There are so many
very,
students like that, right?
There are so many students, but the real thing is we cannot do justice to the entire student community. That is for certain on any year, not only this year. Last year, if you take the statistics, or even before that also, if you take the real statistics, you find so many students having so many problems and really having such incidents cropped up even then.
Right.
This cannot be stopped because this examination by its very nature is so tough that the student community naturally is scared of it, and most of them would end up hanging or injuring themselves, or some people even have psychological imbalances, depressions.
Right.
So many other things we hear so many such cases generally.
Right.
So this is not uncommon. This has been going on. There the cooperation of the teachers, the parental care is very important, because
Right.
the parents have to assess for themselves. They should not force their ward to get into these premier schools by any cost. They have to see if the student or if their child is failing to, take up all the pressure, then they have to select some other course or some other kind of medium or some other kind of vocation for it. There are a number of things open for the student. All need not have to opt for JEE or NEET. There are so many other things. There are media is there, there are accountancy is there are fashion designing is there. So many things are open for the students. So they need not walk along the beaten path of working towards the JEE or NEET.
Right.
They can really take these, they can really study their child, and they can opt a career which is really suitable for him, which is in tune with his acumen. All these things are possible. Then all this unnecessary burden, pressure, tension, coercion, all these things will be wiped out, and the student will be in a very fresh mood to take the curriculum, and he will come out in flying colors, isn't it?
Right.
think
I agree with
would
you,
agree
Swami.
with me. This is the thing.
Well, yes, Mr. Swami, thank you so much for joining us on live.
Yeah, thank you so much for inviting me. Thank you.
Thank you.